Greetings, monday.com friends, and welcome to A Chat with Matt, where we pose philosophical questions such as, can monday.com be used as a CRM? And I hope to answer that throughout this video. With monday.com, you can empower yourself and your team to not only manage your tasks, keep a database of all of your team's contact information and lead contact information, but also manage the projects and the workflow that happens from this. That's a tall order, I know, but let's dive into the pieces of how this can actually work for you. So in this metaphorical example, me and my team are dealing with a lead pool. And as you can see here, our leads are actual rows, these pulses here, and each one of these represents a different company, person, organization, whatever that might be. And I can use that to see where everything is at in one high-level glance. I can track which sales rep is in charge of each different one. I can also see the amount of revenue that we anticipate each deal is going to be bringing. The numbers column offers a ton of value here because I can always see the overall for each thing and not only just each group. I can look and see which different plans are being considered by each person, and I can see where the leads came from. It's also really helpful in our new column center where you can see things like where it is that they're actually located, so I know when I need to be calling them or when I shouldn't call them. I can see what their email address and phone contact information is. This can even be plug and play on your phone or on your computer so that you can make calls ready to go. And then I can see for the beginning phase of each individual project, I can see where it's at. So my team in this example, we are responsible for bringing those leads in and getting them kicked off, and then we transition it to a completely separate team. But we all still work together. So I'm going to help you connect those dots as well and show you where that project management piece comes in. I've got my deadlines here and I've got tags, which is where those tie-ins come from. I've even got locations, which can show me exactly where these people are at if those physical places are relevant in your business. So let's connect the dots and talk about how this can actually empower you and your team. Yes, all the information is there, but where does this actually work for you? And that is in the contextual communication. Yes, everything is right here in front of you, but each one of these statuses can have their own individual label where you can let your team know exactly what's going on. You can mention people or everyone on this board and actually keep people in the loop for what's going on. It will go to all of their devices. If you or your team is on the go, it will be there for you when you need it. This note section, these updates feeds that we've got right here, gives you an opportunity to actually say where things are at and what's happening. So high level notes can go in here, but where does that low level connection also happen? That can happen inside of the tags. Each one of these tags can be used contextually, and I'm going to go right here and just click on this and show it to you. As you can see, I can see everything across all of my different projects. Yes, I've got my lead pool here, but I've also got the high-level overview just for my LinkedIn client. I can go in here and see all the individual items, who's in charge of them, and how far along things are. I can even dive into each board and work with those teams if I wish, but this gives me full contextual views for what's happening. So inside of this, there's so much power for how you can be utilizing this, but it can be realized even further by accessing searching, filtering, and views. So let's dive into that right now. The first thing that's important to note is that our new column center, which you can add over here, gives you access to all of these columns. And our new view center gives you access to incredibly powerful views. When you think about using this as a CRM, it can be incredibly important to keep track of your different contracts, maybe where each individual location is at. If you guys have timelines for larger scale deals, charts so you want to track where you're at, or a calendar view to make sure that that's very noticeable and impressionable on your team. We even have a Kanban view in development, which will be coming out and giving you guys the ability to have different sorts of things that can be moved horizontally instead of vertically. Let's dive into a couple of practical views that make sense in CRM. First, we've got the map view. And if location is relevant to your business, maybe it makes sense to go and have this information there. Not only can I search and filter, so I can say, hey, how many things are coming from trade shows? Cool, I've got 4 deals there. Well, what about how many things are coming from my referrals? Excellent. I can see and filter that information too. But I can go and click and say, if I want to go and click on this, it will immediately highlight the row right here. This is what we call a pulse, and show me where that's at. So searching and filtering inside of there is incredibly powerful. Next, we've got the chart view. And the chart view is an excellent way for me to see different things in an immediate and reportable way. So let's say my team leader is asking me, hey, where are we at in regards to understanding where our different leads are coming from? Well, I can say here, look, trade shows have brought us 4, referrals have brought us 3, and Google has brought us 4 as well. So a nice split between the different things. But that's not as impactful as knowing, well, what is each one of these worth? Maybe I have more attention that I should be dedicating to certain things. Well, inside of here, I can choose my menu, choose my graph, choose my column, and then weight it. And what weighting it does is it gives me the ability to weight by count, which is what we've just done, or I can weight by the actual revenue, which is my numbers column that we mentioned earlier. Now it's very clear to me that 52% of our incoming revenue is coming from trade shows. Wow, that really shows me that we need to be focusing pretty heavily on trade shows. We shouldn't ignore Google or referrals. Those are huge pieces of our business, but when it comes to maximizing our efforts, we can instantly see where those things are at and how they matter for our team. In using this, you'll now have the capability to search and filter for different things that are important as well. So maybe it makes sense and you just want to see certain pieces of data at certain times. If you've got a huge list of leads, first off, congratulations. But second, maybe it makes sense to only look at certain things that are relevant, right? You can do that inside of your filter by everything in the board. Over here, you can click on this and instantly see a dashboard that you can use to bring that information up. This will let me say, what if I want to see everything that's just today? Awesome. I can see what's going on just today. But what if I want to see today, overdue, and done overdue so I can report on that to my team lead? This gives me the access to see that information as well. The best part about this is that this ties into these 2 columns here, which you can tell are connected through our new deadline feature. Now, this is just your normal everyday date column, but the power behind it is being able to go in and set it in deadline mode. So let's do that very quickly. If I go in and click into the column settings and set as a deadline, I now have the ability to tie these 2 things together. Red, yellow, and green now tell me how I'm going in my projects and give me that ability to filter by those views. So these 2 columns are now tied in together and everything that they do matters. So it's incredibly impactful to be able to see that. And when we're talking about contextual views, that goes you into the next step. I can go over here to my sidebar and open it to see my week. This is a brand new feature that gives you guys the ability to go in and see what's happening in regards to your team. And you can even flip it and see what's going on for yourself. So while my team has these current objectives and these things they need to focus on right now, my next week, I've got just the 1 item, and this was due yesterday. So I'm behind and looks like I've got a little bit more work to do before I can call it a day. So that, my friends, is the ability for you to use monday.com as a CRM. This gives you communication and context. It gives you database, a build of information, and it connects those pieces between sales teams and project management teams. So everyone is in the loop on what you need to accomplish. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you inside of monday.com.